Is your 2015-2021 Ram ProMaster key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery yourself, saving you time and money. A failing key fob can cause remote start failures, lock-unlock issues, and alarm malfunctions, highlighting the importance of a functional battery. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful DIY replacement. Before you start, gather these simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, and a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, available at most drugstores, auto parts stores, or online for around $2 to $5. Ensure you have the correct battery type to avoid compatibility issues. Having these ready will streamline the replacement process. Locate the seam on the key fob casing. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and twist or pry to separate the two halves. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the plastic. Work your way around the seam until the casing pops open. Avoid using metal tools aggressively to prevent scratches or damage to the internal circuit board. Step 2. Remove the old battery. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation, specifically which side is facing up, the positive or negative side, as you'll need to insert the new battery in the same way. Use your finger or the flathead screwdriver to gently pop the old battery out of its holder. Ensuring correct polarity is crucial for proper function. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press down firmly until the battery clicks into place. Incorrect battery polarity can cause malfunction, so double-check the orientation before proceeding. Step 4. Reassemble the key fob. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Ensure the casing is completely closed and there are no gaps. Over-tightening can crack the casing, so apply even pressure. A properly sealed fob protects the battery and internal components. After reassembly, test all the key fob functions, including lock, unlock, remote start if equipped, and panic alarm. Press each button and check that the vehicle responds correctly. If the fob doesn't work immediately, try pressing the lock, unlock buttons near the vehicle to resync it. If problems persist, consult your Ram ProMaster owner's manual for troubleshooting steps or visit a dealership for assistance. Testing confirms successful battery replacement. Now for some final tips and troubleshooting advice. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid storing the fob near electronic devices that emit radio frequencies. Replace the battery annually for preventative maintenance. If the fob gets wet, dry it immediately to prevent corrosion. If you encounter issues, double-check battery polarity, ensure the battery is new, and consider using OEM batteries for optimal compatibility. Online communities like Reddit's r/Ram forum can provide additional DIY tips and support. Remember that improper handling can void warranties.